Hello guys, how are you? I'm Avi and I'm back with a new video this time. In my previous video I have showed you how you can use VLOOKUP, and in this one I'm going to show how you can use Hlookup. Alright, and Hlookup is actually very similar to VLOOKUP, but Hlookup is used for horizontal data, whereas VLOOKUP is used for vertical data, right? So I have got this horizontal array right here, and in a particular cell, okay, I want to find the value of, I want to find how much money an individual has paid from this array, right? Say if I want to find how much Mark is paid from right here, I just write his name. Then in the cell below, I need to use the function Hlookup instead of VLOOKUP, okay? The previous one was VLOOKUP, right? Now this one is Hlookup. So I choose Hlookup, and the lookup value that I need to provide is Mark himself. The second one, okay, table array. Table array is basically the whole list of data. Alright. Row index number is number 2, right? Number 1 is list, and number 2 is the amount of money that has been paid. Okay, so that's 2. And range lookup, as always, is 0. So if I click on OK, I get how much money Mark is paid, which is $345. Correct, right? So let's just practice it again. Let's just find out how much money a different person has paid. Let's just Sherry. Alright, let's see how much money she has paid. Just like before, I'm gonna get the dialog box and I'm gonna choose Hlookup, and lookup value is Sherry. Table array is the whole table right here. Okay, row index number is 2, and range lookup is 0. Let's see if we get the correct value. Yeah, that's the correct number. She has actually paid $233. So guys, this is all I wanted to show in this video, and stay tuned for more further videos. Thank you so much for watching.